guys, so right now we're heading to the Safari Desert to experience the camel ride and everything. So while we are booking the Safari tour, they have this facility of they pick up you from the hotel and they bring you. So there is from hotel till here, this place. It's a 40 minutes drive. We take a pit stop over here, so all the cars and everything are here. And what they do is they're gonna remove all the sand from the filters from the car. They're gonna take care of that, and they're gonna remove the air from the tire. So mostly around 15% they're gonna leave the air inside. So you can see. कितना परसेंट हवा रखते हैं इसके अंदर?
15 रखता हूँ, बाकी लोग 15 रखते हैं।
15 रखते हैं।
19 होगा। हाँ, 15 पे बंद करो, 17 बन जाए। अरे वाह, इसमें आपके वाले में 17 दिखाना चाहिए। पता है ना, दिमाग यूज कर रहा है। करूँगा 17 मेरा आ रहेगा।
So guys, they have to remove the air from the tire so that it can run on the sand. So it's easier for us to drive on the desert.
हाँ जी, मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ। तकरीबन 11 साल हो गया स्काईलैंड टूरिज्म में काम कर रहा हूँ। अभी हम लोग इधर आए, चेहरों से हवा निकाला। इसके बाद जो है ना, हम लोग अभी जो है ना तकरीबन 4-5 मिनट में एंटर हो जाएंगे सफारी में। फिर इसके बाद सफारी शुरू हो जाएगा। और मैं पाकिस्तान बुनेर से हूँ। बुनेर से मेरा ताल्लुक़ है। Okay. This guy is amazing. This guy has an 11 years of experience to go to these tours, and we were actually very lucky that we got this guy because he's very sweet, and we know that we are trying to put India and Pakistan in a good relationship, but these guys are amazing. Trust me, they're very open-minded. They are very good-hearted people. Our car is going to be ready in few minutes. They are ready with cleaning the car. They took out all the minimum air from the tires, that how much they need, and then we're going to go for the tour soon, and I'm going to show you everything, every activities that I'm going to do over there. There are a lot of things, the camel ride, and there's a photography, then sunset, a lot of things we're going to see. So keep in touch, guys. And I'm going to do one thing, is that I'm going to in my videos I'm going to put all the prices of all the tours I've been doing, the cheaper price, the websites I've been booking into. So whenever you guys come here, you guys can have an amazing trip in a cheaper price.
god, this is amazing. This was amazing. We'll go inside and we'll wear, yeah?
Okay. Then we take the bag.
Yeah, take the bag, yes. So guys, that was a ride in the Safari Desert. That was amazing. And here is the camp that we are gonna stay. We are gonna do quad biking, we are gonna do camel rides. It's right there.
Quad bike इधर है, quad bike करो, okay?
हाँ जी।
और camel जो है ना वो भी included है,
हाँ।
कर सकते हैं। 10 boarding इधर मिलेगा।
So we asked here. यहाँ पे पूछ रहे हैं उसके लिए।
ये आएगा अभी, ये अभी आएगा ये बंदे। अभी क्योंकि सबसे पहले हम पहुंच गए,
अच्छा
अभी और भी लोग आ रहे हैं।
अच्छा
तो ये सन बोर्डिंग करो, कैमल राइड करो, क्वाड बाइक भी करो, सही है?
ठीक है।
कैंप के अंदर जब जाएगा ना,
हाँ जी।
साइड में टी, कॉफी, वो मिलेगा, शीशा मिलेगा। शीशे का टाइम जो है ना 6:20-25 पे शुरू होता है, सही है?
ओके
Okay.
कोई बोलते हैं हमें टेबल पे चाहिए, तो टेबल वाला वो चार्ज करता है।
हाँ जी
सीधा अल्कोहल बार है, अल्कोहल एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेबल है।
हाँ जी
और बियर बार में आपको सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक वाटर फ्री मिलेगा, सही है?
हाँ जी।
His name is Bharat.
His name is Barish.
He said Barish. I thought his name was that.
There is no Barish here.
Yeah, it's desert. No.
That's why he said Barish.
This bird is coming, this is good luck for you.
In desert.
Sometimes no, that is now the time.
So guys, we got the cap on. So guys, that's my look for today. There's one more surprise for you guys coming up soon. So right now we are going to do quad biking, and then later after this we are going to do camel ride. And let's see, it's not that too hot over here. I mean, everyone used to say it's going to be too hot, but it's a little bit windy, I guess. It's windy but not so hot. But I think I spoke to the guide and he said today's temperature is a little bit higher than yesterday, because yesterday was 25 and today is 32, so it's not too much. And normally it goes up to 50 degrees, so that's like pretty hot, of course. But yeah, let's do quad biking. I'm wearing this proper traditional clothing of Dubai, of Arab, and it's just amazing. And guys, you know, guess what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do the camel ride. This place is amazing, guys. Soon there will be a sunset over there, and we are gonna go see the sunset. We're gonna go sit down, we're gonna grab some drinks, grab some food, and we can relax over here. Guys, this is amazing. You guys should come here. It's not that much of money. In a very cheaper price, you guys can come here, enjoy the quad biking, the camel ride, buy this amazing. There's an extra cost you have to pay for this. You have to buy it separately, but it's worth buying it because it's worth wearing this amazing clothing, guys. This is so nice.
Yalla इसका निकाल, लाला इसका निकाल 6
The one he's sitting on.
इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम
इसका नाम जबार।
जबार। ये कितने साल का है?
वो 6 साल का, ये 8 साल का।
So guys, I'm sitting on Jabbar and it's 8 years old. It's quite big.
आप किधर के हो भाई?
मैं इंडिया से सर।
इंडिया का?
हाँ जी।
क्यों?
So guys, he gave me this control. He's walking on his own. If I want to break it, I can just pull the thing and it will stop, but the camel will stop. But hello. So guys, it's an amazing feeling actually, where you're in Safari Desert and sit on the camel. It's the most authentic thing, traditional thing that you can do in Dubai. And the best thing is that you're sitting on the camel and it's beautiful desert, and plus it's a sunset point right now, and that's amazing. Hello.
ब्रेक लगो भाई, डोरी खींचो अभी बिठाऊं?
हाँ. Oh sorry.
भाई मस्त गिर गया
Oh sorry.
भाई अभी बैठे गए बोलो, ओके?
हाँ जी. जबार बैठ जाओ.
चल जबार। हाँ yalla
Yalla.
अच्छा भाई बहुत रोटी खाता है, चावल खाता है, पनीर
Yeah.
क्या खाता है? क्या बात है?
रोटी खाता है।
Hello, Jawar.
अल्लाह अकबर। अच्छा